friends, welcome back to Kitty's Remote Kingdom. So today you can see we're in a different place. This is my room. So today we are going to do some yoga pose for kids so they can stay. So first I'm going to tell you, I'm going to wish you a happy International Yoga Day and happy Father's Day. So I'm going to show you. So first I want to tell about my subscribers. I'm so happy that my subscribers came and I'm saying to my subscribers, thank you for showing me love and subscribing my videos. That's so kind of you, and I hope you'll be subscribing this video too. So first I'm going to show you my Father's Day card I made for my father. It's so nice. So it's having glitter all the way, and I draw it and I colored up here too. And then on the next page I just write something here, and you can see. So here you can see I write something for my father, and here's like a computer, his music computer. He loves music. And in the second one, last time I showed you how to develop a face, how to draw it. So this is the one. It's actually a boy. So now we are going to start some yoga poses. So our first one is the meditation. Kids have to do meditation because that's it. So first, take a yoga mat. Don't do it on the floor. So first, okay, sit cross and keep your hands in this pose. See, in this pose. And close your eyes and take a deep breath and breathe down. Just breathe like the normal way you did. You should actually do this for 10 times, so this will keep your lungs much healthier. So our second pose, and this will be for kids. The second pose is this one. First, sit like this, okay? Keep your hands like this, okay? Now slowly raise up your spine. Don't just give it up fast. Your spine can get hurt. So slowly rise up as I'm doing it. See? Like that. You should not do it faster and faster because your spine can get hurt, so you should be careful with your spine. And our second pose is a butterfly pose. This is a very fun one that kids love it. And when I was a little kid, my father used to do this. So let's start. First, keep this like this and get up your heels. Rise up your heels. So let's start. Do it like this, like a butterfly raise up his wings. See? It's so fun. Just raise up your heels so you can see like you're flat. And keep counting. Now the second pose is a very, very funny pose that kids are going to love. So our second pose is a very funny pose. So first you have to say like this and jump like a frog. Isn't it fun? These kids will keep his jumping heights much better. I can do it in much height. So these are the funny poses. Now we're going to do our fourth pose. The last pose is the most nice.
Not the last one, no, 3, 4 more. You do.
Yeah. So our second pose must be this. And the second pose is for strings.
Tight.
Oh yeah. Do you remember the kite I made, isn't it? I just hang it around. Okay, so now, sorry for that. Now this is going to be a nice stretching pose just for arms. So first, stand in the standard each way. This much at least you can do it. And then lay up your first hand, any hand, but don't get both of them. You cannot start both of them. So first, we're going to do this. Keep your hand like this and like this. It keeps your arm much more stretchier, so your arm can be more stretchy. And remember, don't hold here in your thighs because it will get your grip and your stretches will start to hurt. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 times, but actually you should do it 10 times. Only 10 times all these poses. So these are the basic poses for kids. So they should be doing it well.
Okay, 2 more poses, 2 more yoga you do.
Okay. Okay. So our next pose must
A bow pose?
bow pose. I almost forgot. This bow pose is just like a ribbon, but don't tell me I'm not going to do a ribbon posing ribbon. This should be easy. First, lay down in a straight way. Raise up your legs, hold them up, and rise. Rise your chest more so it can be nice and deep. I can do this much on my chest.
Okay, and the one is the that what pose yoga called? What was that?
It was, I don't know, I didn't remember.
Straightening your whole body.
Straightening your whole body. Oh, you mean that way?
Yeah.
Oh, that pose. That's a very easy pose. That should be easy. So first, stand straight and lift up your arms right to your ears. And then go backward and go like this.
Yes.
This keeps your legs a little more stretching, so it'll be
Tree
nice.
pose you do.
Tree pose. Tree pose is a bit more funnier, but this should be nice. First, as you do in the yoga, this. So
No, this is not tree pose. It's like that. Both hands up.
like this.
No, this is not. Surya Namaskaram. This is like this. Both hands up. You remember? Full stretch.
Oh,
Yes.
the mountain pose.
Mountain pose. It is okay.
Oh.
You do.
Because it keeps your legs like the hills,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Mountain pose.
So now, first be like on a mountain hill, and then raise up your 2 hands and stretch out those fingers. Do not stretch that much.
Very good.
Now just hold it like a mountain does.
For 2 minutes. Hardly 1 minute will be also okay.
You can hold it for 2 minutes or 1 minute, but don't hold it for too long. You should not be a statue.
Okay. Cobra pose.
Cobra pose. Cobra pose is a little funny. Let's see. Cobra pose is just like a snake cobra, but not. So first, as we did, we're going to do it.
Yeah.
Oh. So first, keep your hand like this and
Wait.
and you're not knowing the spacing, so I'll teach you the spacing. The first how to space is keep your hands like this. Your thumb should be joined, okay?
Okay, wait.
And then you should do like this, and then you should not move your thumb once more. Just do like that, okay? Just move the 4th finger, don't move your thumb, okay? So that's how we do it. Now that's the pose we're going to do in the cobra pose. And rise up. Rise up just like this and up. You can hold it for only 10 seconds.
Okay.
And there's another one which is called a little cobra pose. I did when I was 6 years old.
Okay.
So this pose is like this. I only get up like this.
It is for very small kids.
Yeah.
Up to 5 years. And
And then we're having a balance pose. We're going to teach you that. Most people who do like this cannot balance. So there is an easy way for you to balance.
okay,
So the long for the short process, you have to do like this.
Okay.
Keep your feet at like this, and then do like this. Just do it. You will just get balanced. Just concentrate on one thing. Don't concentrate on any persons. For the long process, this is going to be super duper hard. The long process is
and that you touch the feet now.
and touch the feet. So this should be a little hard, but keep it on for 10 seconds. So first, again, put near to your ears your hands, and then keep them down, and keep your knees straight. You know I can get hurt. And keep it. You actually people be like this, but you have to be like this.
Yeah.
When you just put your toes down to touch it, it's so hurting by behind. So,
Okay, then what else you have?
well, I'm going to teach you the long process, but this should be easy enough for teenagers. So first, do like this. I cannot do it.
This is Surya Namaskaram first.
Yes, but it's very hard. But the long, but
Shiva pose, I
yes. So first, what you have to do, keep your leg like this and this. Many people know this. And if you're not getting any balance, I can get balance because you have to concentrate on one thing, not on a person or anything. You
And
can concentrate on.
Okay, and there was another pose, na? Half leg shifting pose.
half leg sitting pose.
We used to do like this.
Oh,
What
that
was that?
pose. You mean a child's pose.
You do child's pose also. You.
Child's pose. Child's pose is a very easy way. Just for a small child's pose sit down. This is a very easy one. Just you have to breathe and take out as you do in the meditation. So just keep it straight, keep your shoulders straight. If you keep it not on straight, your shoulders will get terapeka. So first you should be sit straight and take a deep breath and deep. When you start breathing, your eyes should be closed. But if you're breathing for just like a second, so you can keep it up open. But when you're doing meditation when you're breathing, your eyes should be closed. If there's any reason, any disturbance, you can close
Okay,
it.
you do.
So first the sit down pose. Now this is a very nice pose. First, keep your knees up. The toes should be upright. And then raise up your hands to your ears and go down. And stay like that. And up. You can only keep that thing for 10 seconds counting. Like you count from 1 to 10. Like that you have to do on this.
Then one used to do na standing and holding one leg backside like this.
Yes, that's a very, very, very difficult pose. I hope teenagers will be able to do this. This is not fit for me. Oh my god, I can barely not balance. But this is just like you do on this. You just have to concentrate on one thing, not on a person. So first I do like this, and then we'll do. Whoa! It's so hard. Okay. So first, keep one leg up. This should
And
be
one
third
hand.
balance.
You're able
And
to do?
No, not able to do. I can only do it for like 9 seconds.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so now do like this. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I can barely not even stand.
Again. Any hand?
Well, I think we're having some.
What
Well, I
Papa
think-
taught exercises to you?
Well, it's not enough poses. I don't remember one of them.
And
There's one jumping pose.
Okay.
This jumping pose, this will make you a little tired. You have to do this on 12 times.
okay.
Okay, so first keep your hand like this and keep it like this and start. And every time when you are starting to jump, you should do like this. I'll show you in the film.
Yes, yes. How many times? 10 times.
No, 12 times. 12 times you have to do it. So
Do
this. Okay, I'm exactly going to do on the round process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh God. 11, 12. I almost forgot to do 11, 12. I totally forgot.
Okay.
So I think that's
And
enough.
used to do lie down straightening pose. Remember? I forgot what.
Yes, I remember I did some time, but I cannot get remember.
You just lie down and hold it like that. Flat.
I cannot get remembering. Again.
You just flat you on your stomach. You lie down. What that? I just forgot.
You mean like this?
Like this, and you have to raise your heels.
Well, actually that is for teenagers. For ages, I know how to do it. My brother usually does it.
You can do.
Yes, I can do, but you should not do this actually. But I'm doing it one time. That's okay.
Okay.
You should not do
No,
it.
you have to lie down. I forgot its name. Just lie down straight.
Okay.
Lie down fully. And you have to no. You have to bring this both hands to the chin. Yes. What this is called?
This is not the food actually, but I think my brother does it.
I forgot its name.
Yes.
It's very common. Skip
It's
from
a
it.
very common thing, but I cannot get remembering as it's a common thing.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Just show it.
I think it'll be like this. And
Whole
this.
body.
Oh, you're saying that pose?
Yeah.
That is the. Oh my God, that name is so complicated to say. I think I do this every day on my exercise, but I cannot remember at all. It's like doing like this.
Yeah.
And the
Whole body you have. Yeah.
Oh, that one. Isometrics.
Isometric. Yeah.
It's a bit hard to say, but I can be saying.
This is your last yoga.
So just have to lock up your hands, stay like this, and keep like this, and see, you can see my toes are getting up. So then you should keep this on like a Christmas tree, stay on a triangle. So you have to stay like that. So see, you do that, and start taking up your toes. And then just flat it up and
Yes, that isometry.
don't.
Some other name is also there. I don't know.
Yes.
I forgot.
They're having two names. So another name is so common, but I cannot remember it.
We just do it.
And you have to do this for 50 times. 50
Oh my.
seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. So now it's completed.
Yes, completed. So this was a fun doing yoga, and these are for kids. So they should be enjoying doing this, being healthy, and in this lockdown you should be enjoying doing this too.
You are doing inside now. Today we are doing inside. Chennai, it's full lockdown.
Yes, the lockdown is having a very, very big thing that
Otherwise, we will be doing outside also.
yes, we can only go in shops or stationery shop, all of it. Actually,
this time everything is closed.
This is another lockdown, and this is a major lockdown. Nothing's open. Only a little stop, a common stop, local.
You enjoyed yoga?
Yes. So I like doing yoga, but I do it only sometimes because I also have to study too. So I hope you like my video doing this yoga poses, and I hope you enjoy it. So please like and subscribe our videos, and we will see you in our next video. It's been a little long time, that's why.
ओके वेट अ मिनट, आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू थैंक जिस लोगों ने भी सब्सक्राइब किया, हमारे चैनल को पसंद किया। मैं श्री पर्णा की मोहर हूँ, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया और इतने सारे लाइक्स दिए। आशा करती हूँ कि आप लोग ऐसे ही हमारे चैनल को पसंद करेंगे और लाइक करेंगे। और मैं आपके सामने अभी नहीं आ सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ही वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ श्री पर्णा का, तो वो थोड़ा मुश्किल सा हो जाता है। लेकिन आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग आवर चैनल, फॉर लाइकिंग आवर वीडियोस एंड फॉर इंस्पायरिंग अस, एंड स्पेशली to Sri Parna. She loved it very much. She is very happy.
And I will all like to come some subscribers. So I
Yes.
hope you like it and subscribe it. And as you can see, the room is so nice.
It's messy actually, man.
Yeah. And you know this bag I made it? This bag I put it on a Christmas tape and just press the button.
And these are the two kites, no?
Yes, we made it on our last video. This is the first kite when I made it the first time. This is the kite video we showed how to make a kite. This one is the kite I made from sketch. This is the one I made from oil paint.
This is Sri Parna's toys.
I love my soft toys. I play with all of them all day. And sometimes I sleep with them too.
Okay then, bye. Say bye to them.
Bye, and I hope you will be liking our videos and this and our room too. So we'll see in our next video, so you should be enjoying it. And after sometimes we'll also show our home tour. So we will see you after, and happy International Yoga Day and Father's Day. I hope you'll be making cards like I made it.
Okay. Say bye. We
Bye.
will meet you in next video very soon.
Yes, bye. We'll see you in tomorrow.
आप लोग ऐसे ही चैनल को प्यार कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमें इंस्पायर कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। बाय बाय, लॉट्स ऑफ लव।
Bye.